Sauces. Sauces are such a great way to add a lot of flavor to your dishes, but they need to be homemade because you don't know what you're getting when you're buying stuff at the grocery store. They use inflammatory ingredients and we don't need that in our diet. So I'm going to show you how to whip up a super easy miso sauce. This is versatile. You can use it as a sauce, as a marinade, all the things. So let's dive into my kitchen really quick and save this recipe and like and follow for more. Something I learned in Culinary Nutrition School is the importance of fermented foods. Fermented foods will help balance out the bacteria in our gut. And in our gut, so many things happen. Our mental health, our immune system, all of that stuff begins in our gut. So it's our job and our responsibility to get more good bacteria in our gut. Miso paste is a fermented food, which is why I love to use it in my recipes, especially in sauces and dressings. When you make your own recipes, such as sauces and dressings, you know exactly what ingredients go in them. You can pack nutrients and flavor, and they're usually super quick to make. When you buy your condiments at the grocery store, oftentimes they have a lot of inflammatory oils, sugars, preservatives, and so on. That's why I'm a fan of making your own.